Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you want to add some class to your thank you cards or letters that you send out, then you should get this bee wax seal kit. I have always wanted to have my own wax seal. I think they are just so classy and really just add such a personal touch when you send a letter or a thank you card or even an invitation. So I purchased this kit and I absolutely love it. It comes with 3 different colors of wax, a melting spoon, 2 tea lights to help melt your wax, and this adorable bee stamp. This kit is so easy to use. You will have this beautiful bee design wax seal on your envelope. So if you're looking to get started with a wax seal set, this is absolutely perfect for beginners, and I think it is an excellent value, and that is my point of view.